Sean Carlson, Blackjack 98 Enterprises. I just had a guy make me a screen door. I'm going to show you guys his quality of work. First of all, this is his business card right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the screen door. Here it is. Look how nice and easily it closes. See that? And it shuts smoothly too. Okay, now let's look at the track here. It's the same as the old one. It's about, I'd say, a ½ inch or so. It fits nicely into that track there, and it fits nicely on the bottom one too. It's got metal rulers on the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they are adjustable on this side right there. See that screw there? That's how you adjust them, tighter or whatever. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is a real winner. I like it. This is a durable screen that he used. This stuff is on the outside because the mud flap should be between this here and the screen door. And it opens and closes beautifully. Yes. I'm going to show you his business card one more time, and I just want you all to know this guy does quality work. I encourage all of you, any of you, to do business with this guy. Thank you and have a good day.